Hello, welcome to TikTok Database Management System by Kammari Sadguru Sai 23955A6715 from Data Science Department of Section C. In this presentation, I am going to discuss about JSONiq, the history of a query language, how the JSON will be written in the query language. Now, a table of content index. We have 12 topics here. 1. Introduction, origins, evolution, its syntax, data model, query examples, use cases, adoption, challenges, future, resources, conclusion. Introduction. JSONiq is a query language designed for querying and manipulating JSON data. It is based on query xquery, a functional query language for XML. JSONiq provides powerful query capabilities for JSON data structures. JSON is also like a query language. It is a query language. It is written in the JSON. It is based on xquery and functional query language is XML. JSON provides very powerful query compatible for JSON data structures. Origins. JSON was first introduced in 2012 by the JSONiq working group. The goal was to create a query language specifically tailored for JSON data. JSONiq combines features from xquery, SQL, and other query languages. Its evolution. JSONiq has evolved over the years with new features and improvements. The language has gained popularity due to the simplicity and flexibility. JSONiq has been implemented in various tools and platforms. The JSON evolved like uh, the walking of whales. Syntax. JSONiq syntax is similar to xquery with some modification for handling JSON data. Queries are written in declarative style, making it easy and express complex operations. JSONiq supports functions, variable, and expressions for data manipulation. Here we can see the JSON syntax. We will return in the code and we will insert the JSON code in upload JSON query. So we can create the tables and rows data by using the code. Data model. JSON is designed to work with JSON data, which consists of object and array. It works with the JSON data. It has objects and arrays in the JSON. The query language provides function for querying and transforming JSON data structures. JSON supports nested data structures and complex operation on JSON data. The data model was, was, was in white spaces, in strings, numbers, objects, arrays, true or false. The data can be data types are the strings, numbers, object, array, boolean. We can mention in these data types. The language provides function for querying and transforming JSON data structures. JSON is also like a data structure. We can create objects and classes, arrays, etc. using the JSON. When we upload the JSON file into the database, the data will be shown in the data box. JSON supports nested data structures and complex operations on JSON data. It also supports complex operations in JSON data. It also provides and supports nested data structures. Query examples. JSON query can range from simple selection to complex transformations. Query can filter, group, and aggregate JSON data. JSON supports a wide range of functions for manipulating JSON data. The JSON is written in this form like an employee ID equal to name equal to Sohan, address village Sona, city Jaipur, country India, like this. When we upload this in server, we will get the data structure form. The queries can filter by name, by age, anything. It supports a wide range of function for manipulating of JSON. When we want to change the database, we can easily change the database. But we have some knowledge about the JSON. If we have some knowledge about the JSON, we can change easily the database. Use cases: how the JSON will be used in applications and other real life examples, etc. JSON is used in various applications for querying and processing JSON data. The more the more demand on database on JSON only, because all are using JSON because it is easy to manage the data. We can upload the data and update the data. The data will be no lost when we want to change the database structure or data types, etc. It is commonly used in web development, data analysis, and data integration. It is mainly used in web development and data analysis and data integration. JSON is particularly useful for working with APIs and that returns JSON data. It is also like a API. We will APIs also written in this form only. So the APIs and JSON are the sum of the some related source, some related syllabus only. Adoption: how it will be adapted for the programmers or developers. JSON has gained traction in developer community. It is simplicity and power. JSON is powerful tool and simple tool. If any developer can understand it easily and develop it easily. The language is supported by various tools and libraries for querying JSON. JSONiq is increasingly being integrated into databases and data processing frameworks. Challenges. Challenges in JSON. One challenge with JSON is learning curve for developer unfamiliar with XQuery. Optimizing JSON queries for performance can be complex, especially with large datasets. Handling nested and complex JSON data structure can require advanced query techniques. Future of JSON. The future of JSON looks promising with ongoing development and adoption. Its efforts are being made to enhance the language with new features and improvements. JSONiq is poised to become a standard query language for JSON data preprocessing. Resources. Developer can find documentation, tutorials, and examples for learning from JSONiq site. Online communities and forums provides support for developer working with JSONiq. Tools and libraries are available for integrating JSON into various applications. We can learn JSON from its own website, like a JSON website. We can find the documentation, tutorials, and examples for learning JSON. The, the developers will learn from this website use this website only for learning. Online communities and forum provide support for developers working on JSON. We have the community for the developers. We can ask the questions in the forum. The developers who are advanced in JSON, they will give the solutions for our errors. Tools and libraries are available for integrating JSON into various applications. Now conclusion. JSON has emerged as a powerful query language for working JSON data. Its its origin in XQuery and evolution over the year have made it a popular choice for developers. With its expensive syntax and rich features, JSON continues to be valuable tool for querying, manipulating data, JSON data. Thank you for watching this presentation. Bye bye now.